So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be something a little bit different. I got my first piece of skincare in PR. Today's review is going to be of the Magsofter Magnetic Mud mask. So what makes this super exciting is that this is a Canadian-owned company right here in Alberta. And I am super happy to support a local company. So this review is not sponsored. The company just reached out and asked if I would like to do a review of their product, so they sent me a free sample. So the kit comes with 1.05 ounces of mud, 1 magnet, and 1 spatula to apply the product. So what makes the mask unique is that you don't use water to remove it. Instead, you use this magnet. So the mask is said to contain deep sea mud, pearl powder, jojoba, and vitamins and minerals. So I'm just going to put a thin layer all over my skin. I'm going to leave it sit for the recommended 5 minutes. So the instructions say to hover the magnet above your skin. It will gently remove the product from your face. So it is pretty cool actually. You can feel the magnet removing the mask from your skin. You can see how effortlessly the magnet removes the product. So now that the product has been successfully removed, I'm just going to massage in the remaining essential oils. The essential oils are easily absorbed into my skin. So as you can see, my skin looks soft, radiant, moisturized. My skin feels softer, smoother, plumper, and it's giving my skin much needed hydration. So it's the next day and I wanted to show you guys what my skin looks like. The mask does have a bit of a sticky residue, so I did wash my face before I went to bed. So this is what my skin looks like this morning. So even the next day, my skin still feels soft, smooth, and I have a nice glow to my skin. So overall, I really enjoyed the process. This was the first time I've ever used a magnet to remove my skincare, and I found it pretty fun. So if you're interested and you want to try something different, you should give the Magsofter Magnetic Mask a try. I'll leave all their contact information in my description box below. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.